G'day everybody. I hope everybody's doing really well. This is going to be another quick little tutorial, and real quick one. Just going to show how I fix my D-hooks or any kind of fixture onto my MDF boards to hang, because you can't really drill through here. I suppose you could, but you'd have to be a tiny little screw, and I don't trust them. This is just a painting that I did a while ago, so I've got a cloth just to protect the painting. It's just an old tank top. I don't throw things away when I can use them in the studio. You'd be surprised about how many things you can use in the studio. So I just have a little piece of cardboard. You can use anything, and I've got this adhesive. It's an epoxy adhesive. You can just use your normal resin. So what I'm going to do is just cut the tips off casually, because that's what it says in the directions. Casually cut the tips off, and then I'm going to have to clean my scissors, and then just press out a little bit. It's supposed to come out equally, but it's not happening because one side's more than the other, so I'm just going to have to be careful with that. And then you just use a toothpick. I'm just going to get rid of some of that because that was extra, and you just kind of mix these two together like so, and it does not take long for them to combine together and turn into a glue, which is what resin really is. So you should probably wear gloves and all that kind of jazz, which is good. Oh, where did I lost me? Oh my goodness, where did it go? Okay, it's really interesting. I'll just grab another one. That's alright. I've got my little handy dandy thing here with everything in it. So all I do is I go that way. So you put a little bit of this glue. Like I said, you can use just your resin, your leftover resin. If you've got some, it'll still work. It's the same thing. Just this one's going to dry quicker. I'm just going to get quite a bit of that. Or you can use a glue gun. So about there maybe. I want to put quite a bit in there. And I know that everything, that resin really sticks to MDF. And then just kind of twirl it around to get, and then I'll use the other side to place this over it, and then hold it down. You can see the little bubble coming over, and I even kind of smooth that over it as well. Now you can use clamps and things like that, but I just kind of leave it like this because once it sets, it's gonna hold, no problem at all. So you can kind of press it down if you want. That's it. That's that one done. So I've got a little bit left. I might just go ahead and do some more. Alrighty. So when this is done, hopefully I'll get a chance to show you how well it holds. But this is it for now, and I'll see you again in another video. I'll just bring it a little bit closer so you can see that. See? Easy peasy. Bye for now.
Things that they go on there for the holiday and they just enjoy it and they just get paid for it, and at the end they get promotions and they get paid.
Ray's kind of got a point. Like, I reckon a lot of them go on there to try and get a media career. And I've interviewed a fair amount of them. Some of them are genuine. Yesterday on the show we had Tara and Sam. I think they genuinely looked in love.